Okay, so today we are talking about methodology subsection of our research report, especially when you do field research. Field research, we have already explained, it's a sort of research in which you go and interact with participants and collect data. Ignore the page, the length of methodology subsection, but mainly focus on these three elements: participants, materials, and procedures. So these are the three elements that must be there in your methodology section or methodology of your research report. So I repeat, first is introduction, second is literature review, and third chapter is methodology of your research report. So these are the three elements of your methodology: participants, materials, and procedures. Now I'll very briefly explain what these elements are and how you are going to prepare them for your research report. Theory is not important. I am sharing with you theoretical aspect just to enable you to prepare these segments for your research report. So understanding is more important than memorizing what these things are, because there is not going to be any quiz on these elements. So first of all, participants subsection. Participant subsection of your research report means that what is in your study. I mean, what is the population and sample of your study? From whom are you going to collect data? So for example, if your audience is students of FCC, so your population is FCC, entire FCC student community is your population. So population क्या होती है? Entire set of possible participants that can be a part of your research is called participants subsection. Oh, sorry, the population of your research. And then moving onwards, after population comes sample. So sample of your research is those participants that actually become a part of your research. They are called sample of your research. It's not possible that you collect data from entire set of possible participants. You cannot go to every single individual at FCC to collect data on anything. So the questionnaire that we learned to prepare in the previous sessions, now this is the time to distribute questionnaire to possible participants. So those possible participants we are calling as sample. So how do we select them? So this is the next stage. So अभी तक हमने दो चीज़ों पे बात की कि आपने अपनी रिसर्च रिपोर्ट में participants पे बात करनी है. So by participants we mean two things. One, population. Second, sample. समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So population means the entire set of possible participants, and sample means those who you actually go to and distribute your questionnaire and collect data from. So participant subsection will be these two things. So here is an example of your sample. ठीक है, 10 healthy university students and staff members, 8 women and 2 men, aged between 18 to 24 years, volunteered to participate in the survey. An informed consent was obtained from all the participants. So similarly, you will write about how did you move from your participants, I mean your entire set of participants, that is population, towards your sample. Okay? So this is what you mentioned in your participant subsection of methodology of research report. Okay, so the next thing is to talk about representative sample.